You're thinking of using Yarrow infused oil. Here are 7 groups of people that need to avoid using it because it does have some potential side effects and a couple of warnings you should know about, starting with pregnant women. Now, Yarrow is known to stimulate menstruation. It could also lead to miscarriage. So pregnant women should avoid using Yarrow oil, whether it is externally or internally. Second, we have breastfeeding women. Now, due to the lack of sufficient research on the safety of Yarrow during the lactation period, it's always essential and recommended to avoid using the Yarrow oil because of the caution and on the side of safety as well. And the third group of people is anyone who has allergies to plants in the Yarrow family. We've got ragweed, marigolds, daisies as well. You may also be allergic to Yarrow if you are allergic to any of these plants. And it's essential, in order to know if you're allergic or not, to always perform a patch test before using Yarrow oil topically. And if you do have any allergic reactions, discontinue use immediately. And the allergic reactions include some itching, redness, or any swelling in the area that you've applied the Yarrow oil to. Number 4 is individuals that are taking blood thinning medication on a regular basis. Now, Yarrow contains compounds that may affect the blood in terms of it has mild blood thinning effects. Therefore, anyone taking blood thinning medication, anyone taking anticoagulants such as Warfarin or aspirin, for example, should consult their doctor before using Yarrow infused oil in order to avoid potential interaction. 5 on the list, we have children of all ages. Yarrow infused oil may be too potent for children, especially if applied topically, so it's always best to consult with your own pediatrician in order to get more customized advice on the safety of Yarrow infused oil on children. Number 6 is anyone with medical conditions such as liver disorders, kidney problems, or hormone sensitive conditions like endometriosis, for example. Just consult with your doctor before using this oil because it can interact with medication or exacerbate underlying health issues. And lastly, anyone planning surgery, because Yarrow has mild thinning effects. So anyone planning surgery within at least 2 weeks before and after the scheduled surgery, please stop using Yarrow infused oil because it can prevent excessive or it can lead to excessive bleeding during or after the procedure and affect the blood clotting process. If you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. I'll see you on the next one.